Oh, you're going?
Yeah.
Our shears are back with glue, so we've got them at the little street, whatever it is, market or whatever. This is perfect. Anyway, but I'm kind of keeping him off to the side, girl. He's got a terrible habit of, he will not go to the bathroom before we leave the house, and then he'll wait till you get him out on the leash, and then he'll start pooping just out of the middle of nowhere. So, I don't know if whoever had him, that woman only hand walked him on the leash. Usually they don't do that, but I'm still figuring out how we're going to get him to Lowe's with that behavior. So anyway, Crystal's at the ready with her bag, but I'm just going to work him down this way, kind of behind, so he doesn't start. Maybe he won't do it today. We air him and air him out. That's the whole thing. So I don't know. I don't know. They must have hand walked him. I've had a couple in the past that did that. Anyway, so we're getting him going down. I've got my foot on there. And we're just working him on the healing. So I'm going to have my little hand signal. I'm going to start my pager slightly before. I don't have my sound box on today. Crystal was supposed to put the sound box on. She's like, uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, so here we go. Give him a little hand signal. So I'm going to turn him with that pager. See how loose my leash is. Oh, he's just starting out.
Yeah, you're doing good.
All right, so we start the pager. He's really fighting me on that down today, but again, I'm winning the battle of attrition is what I'm doing. So I'm going to get all these big corrections this afternoon. Oh, he wouldn't understand that. I should get him on the pager. Pull him around right there. got some good stuff here. They got some organic vanilla over there. I'm going to get some of that. All our little baking. All right, so he's really fighting me on that down today. Did I say that and then he didn't do it? But again, for everybody at home, you have to expect that. I mean, you guys see us with these dogs. They go down, 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 down. You know, it's been a step-by-step process. Again, I'm not getting all flustered when he's not doing it and making crazy excuses like, well, he did it yesterday. You know, it's got, you know, they've got to see, they've got to try different things. I mean, that's just how they are. So what I can do is kind of do several of them in a row instead of putting so much healing in between. Pager. Our girl, and that auction's coming up soon with that little license plate. You guys have to get that thing. Remind me, Crystal, we got to get that thing out so I can show it to her. Oh, that license plate would be perfect for one of your cars. All right, same thing, I'm just going to do a couple more downs and then I'm going to work a little bit more on my healing. Just going back to the same spot I was just at. He's not on his hip though, so I'm going to drop my slack right there. I try to do it as subtly as possible. What you can do to get him on the hip. Yep, there he went. Alright, so now I can just do a little bit with my off. Alright, since I don't have my off-leash down, I'm just not going to add that. I'm going to pull him around with that pager right there. Pull him.